Drop the crane to 20 meters. Hold it steady against the current.
65-foot train outline, 320 feet deep. The readings are consistent.
And these historical charts corroborate the sinking position.
The scan is clear. We have a locomotive and multiple cargo shapes, confirming the target location.
Word. What in the deep blue is that?
Marker deployed. Approaching surface in 2 minutes. Listen up, team. We have a narrow window. Stick to the plan.
Captain, ROV-2 is showing significant at the impact site.
Beginning descent, Captain. Pressure is steady.
Roger that. Maintaining 0.5.
The lift bag is engaging the load. Pressure looks stable. Proceed with ascent.
Ascent rate holding steady at 30 feet per minute, Captain.
Copy that. Maintain course.
We got it! Look at that water drain! Great work, Thomas. Maintain position. We are clear for the next phase. Copy that, Marcus. Moving up 5 feet. Easy now, keep it steady. Bring it straight to the gamma seal.
Weight confirmed on bar 32. Make sure the documentation is precise.
Confirmed. Moving to the next one now.
That's all the words there. As you can see,
these certificates date back to the late 17th century. The preservation is remarkable.
Indeed.
Watch the starboard side, clearance is tight. Easy now, nice and slow. We are almost there.
The corrosion on the undercarriage is extensive. We're looking at a complete refit for this section alone. Document the rust patterns.
The tooling marks here suggest an 1888 casting, Inspector. It aligns perfectly with the royal warrant.
Indeed. And the weight of the metal feels authentic to the period.
Look at her now, boys. Gleaming like a diamond. We did good work here.
more to the left. Keep going, set it firm. That's the way.
You see this mark? It has to align exactly with the piston at top dead center.
What if it's slightly off?
You'll bend the valves. Precision is everything.
We need another 1/4 inch on the inboard side. Careful now. That's it.
As you can see in the 1897 photo, the trim was originally this deep crimson.
But the samples we took show layers of beige.
We're reaching peak pressure now, Marcus.
I see it. Vents are clear.
Readings look stable.
She's perfect, lads. Absolutely perfect. Well done, Marcus. Enjoy the ride.